Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box, then type MRT and press Enter to launch the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Once the tool opens, click Next and you'll see three scanning options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Custom Scan. Let's start with Quick Scan. Select it, then click Next to begin scanning all the files on your computer for potential threats. Wait for the process to complete, and once finished, the results will be displayed. If no malicious software is found, your computer is secure. However, if any threats are detected, they will be listed, and the tool will automatically remove them, so you don't need to take any further action. Now press Windows plus R again, type this word, and hit Enter to open the User Accounts window. If you notice any unfamiliar users listed, select the suspicious account and click Remove to revoke unauthorized access. Moving on, open Settings, search for Startup, and select Startup Apps. Scan through the list, and if you find any unknown applications that you don't remember installing, make sure to disable them. This prevents those apps from launching automatically when your computer starts, which could be a security risk if an unauthorized program is running in the background.